Hello, my people. It's a nice and a bit windy and sunny morning here at the farm. The field you are looking at now is a potato field. There isn't much to see because the potatoes are sprouting underground. So we have woken up this morning to do the watering. We are doing irrigation here because it has not rained for quite some time. We planted this potato seed. The variety is Manito, certified by KEFIS on the 7th of December. Since then, we were lucky to receive only rain, about 15 inches of rain once. So the field is about half an acre. We planted 8 bags of seed potato. As I said, the variety is Manito. Each bag was about 50 kilograms. So 8 bags of size 1, the small size, is enough to plant a half an acre. If you're doing an acre, then you need 16 bags of size 1. So you can see the water is coming, being pumped from downstream to the field. The type of irrigation here is overhead. The style of piping is rain hose. It's basically a drip line perforated. As you pump the water, it creates a feeling that it's raining. So the rain hoses are about 1 inch. It resembles a drip line, but with the numerous perforations. From the 1.5, it goes to 1 inch. Then the water is delivered on the field. Apart from other crops, as you can see, we have some sugarcane over there. We have also done some cabbages, and up there, I don't know if you can see it, but we have beans. If I can zoom my camera, those are beans, nyota beans. The germination is good, so we anticipate that we will manage to do the irrigation, then harvest. Quite expensive, but we have no option. This field has already been watered about a day ago. So you can see the evaporation rate is quite high because of the dry weather. I'll be back to show you how germination has done. So far we are impressed. The sprouting is good. There have been a little bit of damages because of the scorching sun. Some tubers have rotten, but that is expected because you can't expect that germination will be 100%. We work hard to ensure that everything goes well and leave the rest to God. Thank you.